Hi everyone, welcome to the BBT channel and walkthrough of our newest tool, so the BBT replay tool. So Eamon and I are both moderators at BBT, and we're here to introduce you to the stock trading simulator that we have available as a free tool online. We're really excited to walk you through it today, give you a little bit of a rundown on different features, different tools, and give you a walkthrough as well on where to actually find awesome trade ideas to practice in replay. This free tool offered by BBT really helps you get through the learning curve as an intraday trader. Putting in 10,000 hours of work into one specific practice is no easy feat, and you can really minimize that time frame by leveraging a replay tool, trading after hours, trading your favorite trade ideas, as well as challenging trade ideas that Eamon and I are shooting over to you on a weekly basis. If you sign up in the email tab at the bottom right corner on the stocktradingsimulator.com website, like I said, Eamon and I will be providing trade ideas as well as walkthroughs for how we would approach those trade ideas on a weekly basis. So I'd highly recommend doing that. But first off, let's just kick off with an overview of the features, a little bit of background about some of the tools available on the site and how you can best use the website to your own interests. So Eamon, why don't you run me through and give me a walkthrough of the main features or the main tools that you actually use on the site.
We are pretty excited to launch this tool for you. I'm going to run a quick explanation on how you can use this tool effectively. So the moment you open the stocktradingsimulator.com, you can see that on the upper left corner, you can type the name of the stocks that you want to trade. It could be Apple, AMD, Nvidia, whatever stock you want to trade. There are different time frames that you can use, from the 1 minute chart to the daily chart. Hopefully in the future we'll add more time frames, 60-minute chart, 240-minute chart, and maybe we could have it customized so that you can choose any time frame you feel comfortable with. There are different studies which you can use. So for now, those are the moving averages, Camarilla pivot points, the standard pivot points, previous day close, view up, and volume. If you want to add something, just click on it, select it, and add it. Or if you want to remove something, just same thing, click on it and remove it. It's just pretty much simple to use. To choose the date that you want to replay the stock to, you can click on this calendar down here on the bottom right corner and choose the date. Let's go, for example, to August 2021. Yeah, 18th of August 2021. That would be Apple on the 5-minute chart, and the same time Nvidia on the 5-minute chart if you want to play two stocks at the same time. How can you buy or sell stocks? Click the play button. That here is real time. It's 10 times speed. If you want to play it faster, you could set it to the normal time speed. If you like the pattern, you like the setup, you just click the buy button, type any amount of shares you want to buy, and hold on to your position. You could see here your equity, $1 million, and now you have only $855,000 because you use some on Nvidia and you use some on Apple. Hopefully in the future it will be possible that you customize it according to your buying power. You see here your unrealized P&L. You can choose how many shares you want to sell partially, for example 100 here, 200 shares here, or maybe if you want to just sell your whole position, click on P, it will show you your full position, and then you can sell it. You could see down here your open positions, which is Apple, Nvidia is fully closed, and then the history if you want to check it. Finally, up here you can add the time and sales to check or to watch the tape. Now let's say you're the type of trader who wants to watch 4 stocks at the same time, or maybe wants to watch multiple time frames from the same time. Let's open Stock Trading Simulator again in another tab. And you can just simply grab it to another monitor or put them one below the other. This way you're having 4 charts or 4 stocks at the same time. You could open Apple here on the 1-minute chart and Apple on the 5-minute chart, and below here Nvidia on the 1-minute chart and Nvidia on the 5-minute chart. You can figure it out, guys. This is basically a quick walkthrough around here, but the biggest question you might have is what stocks should I choose and play? You can't just go back to 2020 and choose any random stock and play it, right? It should be a stock and play. And Simon here will show you a solution on how to figure that out.
Half the battle is picking the right stock and approaching the right trade idea to really refine your skills and get meaningful practice in great stock ideas, either ones that worked, that didn't work, and practice different scenarios and situations. So Eamon and I have actually put together a collection of the moderators' watch lists, as well as stock trade ideas that we believe to be meaningful and worthwhile as far as practice in the replay tool goes. So to kind of kick off to where to find this information, there's kind of two different ways. So I'll go through the first way, which is just heading here to barebulletraders.com. You're presented here with the home page. You just head to the technology tab, which is here at the top. And once you get to the technology tab, you'll basically just scroll down a little bit here under simulator and trading platforms, and you'll find the weekly simulator practice tab. So that'll take you to the correct page. If you'd like to just get there direct in the future, so say you're practicing on a daily basis, you can just head to barebulletraders.com/weekly-practice-history and /. So that'll take you right direct to the page. You can also just add that to your bookmarks tab if you want to just jump over here. So as you can see, we lay out all of the moderators' watch lists. So, you know, if you have a similar trading style to Dima, for example, or to me, to Mike, to Thor, you can really filter out your trade ideas specific to the actual day and plug those right into the free tool that's offered online. You can also take a look through previous archives, looking back through previous days, which is an awesome feature in the sense that you know, not everything is available in the market from a recency perspective. Sometimes you have to dig a little bit further back to find your A+ setups that are actually worthwhile of your time to practice. And then the other thing is from a daily basis. As I mentioned, there's clear trade ideas that are actually presented by both Eamon and myself, where we provide the ticker, some relevant timestamps to actually take a look at depending on what setup you're trading and what setup you want to practice, as well as just a brief description of the trade analysis that Eamon and I have put together, as well as any relevant catalysts. So, you know, between these trade ideas offered on a daily basis that are also included in the archive, as well as the moderators watch list that allow you to really refine what kind of trade ideas you want to practice in the simulator, you now have the trade ideas, as well as an awesome tool available through your browser that you can actually run through your replay practice in. So that's kind of everything on Eamon and I's side of things. We're going to be heading up this project on the BBT side of things. We're really looking forward to working together, to providing you with trade ideas, helping to, you know, refine your skills in this free replay tool. If you guys have any comments, any questions, please comment below. Also, you know, we'd really appreciate it if you guys like this video and obviously follow the BBT channel on YouTube. And yeah, just let Eamon and I know, you know, how did we do on this video? Do you want to see a little bit more from us? And are there any questions that, you know, maybe we didn't cover in the video that we should do another video about? Awesome. Thanks, guys, and looking forward to working together. Cheers.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.